Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new to the channel, I'm Rebecca. Today we're going to be making a really quick and easy snack that's really nutritious and flavorful and requires no baking. We're making some no-bake protein bites. You can whip these up in a matter of minutes. You can have them for breakfast or something quick to grab as a snack on the go, or they make a wonderful after-school snack as well. So let's head to the kitchen so we can make some no-bake protein bites. So let's get our ingredients together for making our no-bake protein bites. This only takes 6 ingredients, so it's really great and quick to put together. So in this large mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1½ cups of old-fashioned oats and ½ cup of chopped pecans. Next, I'll add 3 tablespoons of flaxseed, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm just going to mix these dry ingredients together. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 1/4 cup of honey. Now we'll just mix these ingredients together. All right, so these are all mixed together nicely. Now we'll just take a small little scooper and we'll create our little bite-size snack here. And I just like to roll them in the palm of my hand just to make a little more of a ball shape. They're quite sticky. If you find the mixture is a little bit too sticky and hard to work with, you can simply put this into the refrigerator. So I'll do that so that you can see the difference in texture and how much easier it is to work with once it's slightly chilled. All right, so I've had the mixture sitting in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. So now it's much more firm and a lot easier to make a nice little ball shaped bite. So I'll continue to scoop out a small portion and just roll between my palms to create our little no-bake protein bites here. You can make these no-bake bites as little or as large as you'd like. I like these little bite-sized portions. And you can also change up the recipe. So I use the basic 6-ingredient recipe that I like to do for these no-bake protein bites. But you could also play around with it and maybe add 1/4 cup of raisins or craisins or dried cherries, or maybe even some mini chocolate chips. They make a fun little twist to this recipe. Now if your mixture starts to get a little too warm or the palm of your hand is making it sticky again, just simply put the mixture back in the refrigerator for another 10-15 minutes and then you continue to make your protein bites. I'm going to do that because it's starting to get kind of sticky and sticking to the palm of my hands again. All right, so I just chilled this for another 15 minutes in the refrigerator and now it's nice and workable again. All right, so we've made 42 no-bake protein bites. So now what I'm going to do is stick this into the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes, and that'll let these protein bites really set up, and then we can put them on a plate and have a taste. All right, here we have our no-bake protein bites. These have been sitting in the freezer for about 20 minutes and they've really set up nicely. So now you can serve them, or you can put them in an airtight container and they'll keep in your refrigerator for a week or two, or you could also put them in a freezer safe bag or container and put them in the freezer and they'll keep for about 3 months. I have some on a little plate here so you can really see the texture and all the different yummy ingredients in here, little bits of the oats and the pecans, and you really taste and smell the cinnamon once you dig into here. And of course that peanut butter and the little sweetness from the honey. So tasty and so simple to put together. So I hope that you enjoy trying out this recipe as well and can share these no-bake protein bites for a nice little treat for breakfast, maybe an on-the-go snack, or they make a wonderful after-school snack as well. You can prepare these ahead of time, just stick them in the refrigerator, and you're good to go. If you'd like more inspiration on other snacks, appetizers, or sweet treats, you can check out the various playlists I have on those topics, as well as a number of different homemade recipes to get you in the kitchen and trying out something new. If you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing. So please click that subscribe button below if you haven't done so yet. And if you enjoyed this or any other video that you watch, please be sure to give it a thumbs up as well. Well, I hope you continue to watch my channel, The Home and Homestead, for some more homemade, homegrown, and home style inspiration. And I surely hope you're having a wonderful day. See you next time. Take care.